Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to review the lipstick which I am wearing. So this is from brand K Beauty. So I purchased this lipstick immediately it was launched in the market, and I since it was not available in stores, I found the reviews from the YouTubers as well as Katrina Kaif, and she particularly spoke about this particular shade, and the shade is none other than rom-com. So I will show you the closer swatch first, how it looks on my lips. So here is a closure picture on my lips. So this is what I find. The shade is reddish orange kind of shade. Also it has a tint of pink color on it. So I would say it is a combination of three colors, that is more on red and orange and little bit of pink on it. So yes, so this color is not that unique. And also I first went to the Nykaa, as it was not available in the stores. I went to the Nykaa online site and saw this particular swatch, and I found the lipstick will be more on the pinkish side, and I did not find that it would be more on the reddish orangish side. So it was not the color which I found in the online, and in real it was a mismatch. The first thing I want to say that. The second thing, I would come back on the texture. The texture is good. It is matte lipstick, and it is also very lightweight on your lips, and also it does not dries up your lips. It is good. And the third part that I want to come back on is the lasting part. The lasting part is not that great. So it lasts for only about 3 to 4 hours. It claims that it would last for 7 to 8 hours, which is not the reality. And yes, the lipstick is like after 3 to 4 hours it's completely gone away from your lips, and you have to reapply it. Not even a tint of the lipstick is stays on your lips. So I would say the lasting power is not that good at all. And it is priced for 750 rupees, and K Beauty hardly gives any discount. So, and this is not that unique shade. Also you will get this type of shades in other brands like Maybelline, Lakme, and even Nykaa has launched many matte liquid mini lipsticks, as well as many other lipsticks at a much lower price. So 750 rupees is bit costly, coming considering all this facts like lasting power, texture, and the color payoff. And so I don't think like you should invest in this such type of lipsticks. Yes, so I would not recommend anyone for this kind of, but still if you want to have idea of this lipstick, as it is very new, this brand is very new, so you can buy one. And if you like this reddish orange kind of shade, then you can try for Ramcon. So other shades are also there, like in pink, fraternity, and other. You can go to the Nykaa online stores, and you can see the other shades, and you can try and have an idea on how it looks on your lips. So I will show the packaging part also. So here is the packaging part. So this is how the lipstick looks. It looks like more like a crayon lipstick. So this is how you apply on your lips. And yes, so this is how, and this is the cap, white cap on the top of that. Yes, yes, overall the lipstick is not that great. So if it would have priced at 300 to 400 rupees or even 200 rupees, then the people would buy, and it would be good then. But 750 rupees is quite costly for this type of lipsticks. I don't think that I will be repurchasing it again. So that's all about the video. So if you like this video and find it useful, so please like this video and share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel. And till then, Bye bye, keep safe, stay happy, stay blessed, and spend time with your family and friends in this lockdown. So till then, bye bye, and thanks again for watching this video.